Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I'm super excited because I am here with the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Custom Trail Boss. This vehicle is awesome. Look at that black Chevrolet accented grille, Z71 badging. We have red recovery hooks, as well as this vehicle is finished in red hot. And before we get into all the really awesome Trail Boss suspension stuff, we are going to talk about this vehicle being not only four-wheel drive, but also powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now, this vehicle, being a Trail Boss, is a Trail Boss. 2-inch factory lift upgraded off-road suspension. We have heavy-duty skid plates, as well as a heavy-duty air filter, and our wheels are 18-inch glossy black aluminum wheels sitting on beautiful 32-inch DuraTrac MT rated tires. These are ready to take you on-road, off-road, any road. We have black door handles, mirrors, as well as black trim. And we have the black 4-inch assist steps as well. This makes it really easy to get you in and out of the cab. We have deep tinted glass around the rear. And the rear is also where a lot of really awesome stuff can be found, including our dual exit exhaust that's integrated into the rear bumper. We have black Silverado custom and Chevrolet badging. Now, this tailgate is actually power up, power down, which means using your keys, you can simply just tap them and the tailgate will come down without your hands. We also have a rear view camera providing you with rear parking assist. Seriously, I can't believe Chevrolet put a 2-inch lift on one of their vehicles from the factory. It is awesome. Getting into this Trail Boss is easy with these assist steps, but before we get right in, we are going to take a look at our jet black premium fabric interior. We have a front bench seat with lots of storage, and the console actually flips up to provide the extra seat. And looking at the sides here, we have our 4-wheel as well as 2-wheel drive transfer case and auto select mode. This button right here also provides lighting in the bed. More on that later. Now, getting into the vehicle, we have our steering wheel with cruise control and a black Chevrolet bow tie. And coming across, we see our Chevrolet Infotainment System. This is a 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. Right below this, we have our climate control, as well as things like our hill descent control, as well as our tailgate down, hazards, and traction control. This vehicle comes equipped with the integrated trailer brake controller, as well as 2 USB ports. And right here, we have a 12-volt power option as well. Looking at the remaining of the interior, we see this gorgeous black all the way throughout. Really shows off and pops against the red exterior. I love it. And in the rear of the vehicle, we see more of that premium jet black fabric onto the bench seat. The bench seat actually is folding and is awesome because it provides you with so much extra storage. Folds with one hand. Very easy to access anything back here. We have 2 climate vents as well for the passenger's comfort. I did say this is a power tailgate. I'm going to show you. All you do is tap the button on your keys twice, and down comes the tailgate effortlessly, quietly, and how cool is that? Look at those LED lights as well. And we see our rear bed liner throughout the back of the truck, keeping your truck bed safe. We have our cargo tie downs. There are 12 of those throughout the bed, as well as illumination for when it gets too dark but you're not done the job. It blows me away every time I see one of these because it is crazy how capable this truck is. One of the most capable that GM has ever come out with. And if you would like to know more, like to see this for yourself, if you have any questions or would like to book a test drive, contact us on Ontario Motor Sales. Any of our sales staff will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.